In today's video I will show you how to do the TikTok loading screen trend. So first you need to download app from Play Store called CapCut. Open it. Click New Project. Select the video. Now split the video where you like to add loading effect. Select Freeze. Now open YouTube. Search for TikTok green screen loading. You need to download the second video. Now again open CapCut App. Click Overlay. Add Overlay. Select the video you downloaded. Zoom in to cover the video. Select Chroma key. Drag the circle to green color. Next select intensity. Make it 100%. Adjust the green screen video. After you've done that, click the icon on top right to save the video. Click Export. Now you can post to TikTok. That is how to do the TikTok loading screen trend.